The mission of Creative Destruction Lab at Seattle is to commercialize science and technology for the betterment of humankind. Here at Foster, at the University of Washington, that means having ventures in computational health and advanced manufacturing that are using computing to change the future of medicine and manufacturing for all of us.
We are a program specifically for deep tech and scientific founders, so we bring them the business expertise of people who have built and exited companies in this space, investors who are funding companies in this space. So our goal is to give resources to people who are first-time entrepreneurs to help their innovations come to life.
CDL can help people identify what do they need. So you don't have to come in with it all figured out. You do need to have an idea of what you're doing to change the world.
You get fast, immediate feedback, refinement of your ideas, and it is generative in a way that is in a growth relationship, and it is a safe, trusted place. But they aren't taking equity from you. They aren't your customers. They aren't your VC.
The challenge for any startup is how do you go about doing that? How do you actually get to that understanding of what your ICP is, and what do you do tomorrow? Like, what do I do tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when I get into the office? How do I build that up?
I've seen over and over how hard it is to transition an idea into manufacturing and production, and that's why I wanted to get involved with this manufacturing stream.
All the mentors are volunteers, right? What we're giving back to the ventures is time. And so we really need to connect with them and feel that we can actually help them. And so a lot of that is storytelling. It's not only what you do, but how you tell it. And do you show that you are coachable? Do you show that you're listening and that you're willing to explore different areas and listen to the mentors?
We are here to help you, to mentor you, and guide you, not tear you apart. We want to see people here succeed, and we want to see these manufacturing and computational and health companies make an impact on both our community and the world.
The potential is enormous to help out folks in their early 20s, late 20s, early 30s. They have amazing aspirations. They want to make a difference. That's inspirational to me because that's the next generation.
I would definitely recommend the CDO program. It's a super cool way to get paired with venture while also getting to be a part of a cool network with other students.
I think the lessons we have learned is how do you take the advice, even if it's conflicting advice, take them as like diversity of thoughts and see what really applies to your business, because every business is unique. And also, like, how do you learn to be more strategic too, because as a founder of a startup, you're doing 100 different things. But how do you take a step back and say, am I doing the right things? And I think that's been the biggest lesson learned.
Wouldn't miss it for anything else in the other world. There's incredible people, incredible advice, incredible community, incredible friends. It's really been one of the most formative experiences I've ever had. So anybody who's considering it, I would highly recommend it.
Innovation in this space is moving faster than ever. We're just getting started.